Hey guys, Crystal here for Unity. Today we're doing something unusual for me. We are stamping on colored cardstock. We are using the gorgeous Wreath builder using the Circle of Friendship stamp set. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, so let's get started. We are going to begin with using the Circle of Friendship stamp set. I'm going to use the florals. We're also going to be using the Wreath builder stencil. I have two pieces of cardstock, a white and a light blue, and our Misty. And we're using all sorts of inks. We're going to be using Daydream, which is a dark, Aquatini, It's a Boy, a light blue, Pixie Dust, a light purple, Green Tea, which is a green, Lime Ricky, which is a lime green. Let's get started. Using the Wreath builder stencil, we're going to do this on an A2 size card. So it's 4.25 by 5.5, and we're going to mark the square right in the center. We're going to tape our stencil onto the Misty, and I am just using some leftover Christmas Scotch tape, and that is ready to go. Now we're going to place our cardstock, and as you can see, I have the little lines, and this will allow me to pretend that this is a square. And I can start doing my Wreath builder on this A2 size card. I'm gonna place my stamps and ink it up. And I'm gonna repeat this process with all the different colors using different stamps from the Wreath builder Circle of Friendship stamp set. Okay, once that's done, we're going to remove our pencil marks and move on to our sentiment. On the white piece of cardstock, I'm going to ink up the sentiment from the Circle of Friendship. I'm going to do it twice so you get a really crisp image, trim it down, and place foam adhesive on the back. To finish up, using some Pearl Nouveau drops, and just really let the stamping make the statement on this card. Thank you so much for joining me today. Have a great day.